Atongoria mwaho wa Azimio riu nimeyumiritie na kumenereria thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza makiuga ati nirahuthira hinya wayo na kwagagia atongoria a mung'ethaniro.
Tafadhali msiwazuie wale wengi.
Mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga uria kwaragia mucemano-ini wa kiama kia ODM guku Nairobi augite ati Azimio ndikuhe thirikari kanya ga kwagagia atongoria na njira ya kumatumira maabithaa DCI na EACC.
It is not over. We lost many comrades and incurred many injuries. Some of the cases regarding the brutality meted out or use on us are in court, and we remain optimistic that we will secure justice for the victims.
MIARIO ta ino nirekereirio ni mutongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo MUSYOKA uria uma igongona-ini ria mathiko ma June Moi mwari wa uria wari president wa tene Daniel Moi. Kalonzo akiuga ati thirikari irahuthira mahinya mayo guthoga atongoria mwena wa mung'ethaniro.
We shall not be intimidated. Governor URIA was supposed to be in jail. We thank God that you are here today. They caught up with his wife. Hey man, you are strong.
Mateta matongoria ya mokite riri ruhonge rwa kuhitana na ungumania EACC rukoretwo rugititimura uria wari governor wa Murang'a Mwangi wa Iria kuma muthenya wa Kiumia agikuruhanio na ngukumio ya ciringi milioni 140 iria cirerikana ati ciaungumirio gatagati ka mwaka wa 2014 na 2016 no Iria arahonokire ciarira gwikora moko-ini ma EACC thutha wa igoti rinene ria Murang'a kuruta riathanire ati wa Iria na andu angi
This is something which, if it were to ever happen, would have happened 10 years ago. But for some reasons, it never did. It never came into any audit. But now that it is here, he's more than willing to explain himself.
There's no need for this intimidation or harassment. One is assumed innocent until proven guilty.
No orokiumia gike governor wa Kisii Mbarati ni araikirie mateta megi maabithaa ruhonge rwa DCI kuhithukira mucii gwake akiuga ati maabithaa aya ni marafujire wabici yake Nairobi muthenya mutu thutha wa arati kwandikithia ndumiriri na ruhonge ruru akiuga ati ni kurari na njamira thugundagwo ya kugathika mishinga gwake mucii na gitumi gitakurikanite.
Governor Simbarati, I spoke to him on my way here. DCI men entering his compound, a governor, because an attack at that level means you even attacking the very constitution which has given us devolution.
Hadu ine Hakameme TV retore ya kwa nikimani wagojiri.